What's up, internet? Changing the content up a little bit here. We're gonna pull a carburetor off my 75 Dart. My Holly Street Avenger needs a rebuild, so I'm gonna pull it up on this brisk morning and start a rebuild. There. Nice and easy, you got the carb off. Fuel everywhere. And I suggest maybe putting some paper towel in that hole or something, just so, you know, in case it takes you a little while to get this job done. Now that you got your carburetor off your car, this is also the first time I've ever done this, so I ordered a Alyag Performance trick kit. Comes with everything and multiple different gaskets for different style of carburetors. But this one's supposed to rebuild it all, gaskets, filters, everything. So we're gonna do it. It's been kind of getting sticky lately when I try to fire it up, and had to smack it with a screwdriver to get it to do what title and be happy. So figured for the 50 bucks on Amazon it cost me, and we're waiting for parts to chip, so might as well work on my car because it could sit outside with no carburetor on it for a while. So let's get to it. Yeah, there we go. This kit comes with literally everything that's in here, so hopefully you won't mess any of this up. Alright, I just finished up throwing it back together. Batteries died, so that sucked, but it took me about an hour to take off, pull it apart, clean it. The Street Avenger is super simple. This kit comes with a bunch of extra stuff to do other styles of carburetors, but this one is super easy. About to go put it back on the car. As long as I did everything right on the rebuild, take a few cranks to get the bowls full of fuel, but it should fire up. We'll see what happens. Almost forgot the return spring. There we go. That's better. Had my needle and seat on this carb really out of whack, so that's why I was pouring fuel at the top of the carburetor, as I'm pretty sure you just seen. But I got it pretty close now. Let's see if she fires up. Oh yeah. That's better. It's a little cold out still, so she's not very warm yet, but other than that, I think that's it for today. I'm going to do some more tuning. No one gives a shit about seeing about that, so love you, bye. Want to give a shout out to my homie Alex in Alyag. He's the guy that provided the tunes for this episode. He shreds, and I'm just very thankful to have friends that make some awesome music that can help us out with some non-copyright music that we can also share for. So find him at Alyag, ALYAG.net, where it'll give you links to all of the streaming platforms that he's available on, and a link to Alex's YouTube channel if you want to learn about audio engineering, because that dude is real smart at that. He went to school for that, and he's phenomenal. And just give his page a like, check him out. Thanks again, Alex. Love you. Bye.